So this is template3.html file. HTML is a start from, follow the head section, right inside for a style, close the style. Come down below, follow the body, close the body. Inside the body, we will use a header under the header, follow a under the header, follow the UL, or maybe you can use li also, not li, directly a tag. Under the header, nav. Under the nav, a tag, ahref equal to, give something right here called home. Keep one more li, one more li, one more li, one more li, one more li. Home, about us, contact us, login, register our services. Okay, we've written all the li. Now from there, after navigation, use a section tag. For this section tag, give id equal to about. Inside that, you will write h1, follow their call about us. Come down below, write a paragraph. Use inside the paragraph some text, like this. Nav used to create the navigation. Header appear on the top of the page. Nav used to create the navigation is HTML5 tag. ULLI you have followed, that is HTML4 style. We have created the navigation using ULLI, hope you remember. That was using which method? ULLI, HTML4 tag plus CSS. Now we are following the HTML5 tag. HTML5 tag with the CSS. Ready? Now come inside. We will write the CSS for header, NAV as well as section tag. Section is called by ID. Header is only one time, nav is only one time. Header you are not going to use many times inside the page. Mostly header will appear only one time. So pretty. Now go ahead, write the CSS for body tag. For body tag, we can write margin 0px. Margin 0px. Next, after that, so what will happen is, when you reduce fan speed, it's making sound. The video will get extra sound. That backside fan. The videos, no classes which will get recorded, that sound will come, extra sound. Okay. Now go here, write the CSS for section tab first. Section tab, that is called hash about. Hash about. Hash about. Inside the hash about, you will write here background, any color, oh, background, orange color, green color, X align center, X align center, padding 40 pixel. So from all the sides, there will be gap of 40 pixel and content will come in the middle. Margin we can write top and bottom. Margin hyphen margin. The first number will come from the top. px. Left right 0px. Bottom also 30px. This way. So margin 3 number we are written. First number top, middle number left right, last number bottom. Left right will be 0, top bottom will be 30 pixels. Or you can write 4 times margin top 30, margin left bottom 30, margin left 0, margin right 0. So instead of writing 4 times, we can write 1 time only. This is called short code. Or instead of this, you can write margin top, margin left, margin right, margin bottom.
So if we will be writing like from left side, it will be left side 0, right side will
This is the right. 4 value can pass here also. Or you can write separate also in case not applying. Margin left 30, margin right 50, margin top 100, margin bottom 300. All options are there. This is in which case if left right you have equal, then you can use this method. Okay, so what we written? So what will happen? Section will come in which color? Orange color. And text will be green color. Text align will be center. Padding will be 2px. Margin will be something. Let's run this. Look like this. Ila is the inline tag, so it is coming in the same line. It is into the new line. Using CSS, they have to apply the space and other things. Using CSS, you can apply the space or other things. So hope your page look like this. This is the CSS portion. Let's complete that. Okay, next after this, write the CSS for body tag. Inside the body tag, give minimum height, MIN, mean height, 1000 pixel. Give mean height 2000 pixel. Mean height 2000 pixel. So body height will be 2000 pixel directly. You can see control contents are going up down. Content is going up down. Now we will add a property here. Position sticky sticky position sticky when from top if there is a 0 pixel gap. As of now, from top there will be more gap. When you start scrolling from the end of the screen, from the beginning of the screen to the section tag, if there will be no gap, it will become a fix. That's called position sticky property. Position sticky property. Okay, so hope your page look like this. When you scroll down, it will become fixed after how much? See, there is a top gap is there, so it will go up, go up. Once from top there will be 0 pixel gap, it will become as a position as a sticky. That is called position sticky property. CSS for this one also. For which one? For the navigation. That is called header. Looking similar. Let's reply once. Your section tag is getting fixed once you scroll up. Once you scroll up the section tag, once you scroll up from top, if there will be 0 pixel gap, this should become as a fixed. It should become as a fixed. Okay, so working for all. Now coming down for the this one. Call which one? Header. Header. Now write the CSS for header. Header will have background as maybe green color. Then padding maybe you can keep somewhere 15 px. Then text align, text hyphen align, you can keep in center. Text hyphen align, you can keep in center. Background, which color? Green color. Okay, we can put some other color also. Green, if you look out, you can change other color. Black color is also fine. Background is a black color. Okay, next after that or background, instead of applying the background here and padding, okay, so let's do like this. Text center is okay. Apply the position. Position as a fixed position. Position as a fixed position and give the width as 100%. Position as a fixed position and width 100%. Position is a fixed. Okay. Next, after that, width 100%. Okay, so it's gone somewhere. Hmm? It's not visible, right? We made something wrong in that. It is below the menu or where it is. Hold on, let me put the background here. We'll come to know where is hiding. Background red color. It's not visible here itself. Position as a fixed, width 100%. Text align center. If I remove position fixed, okay, it was there only. Padding, let me apply 20 px padding. Then we'll see whether it's a reflect or not. Not reflecting. Become complete different. Wait a minute, we can check it, no problem. Remove position fixed. Just a minute. Yeah. CRM for what type of CRM? The problem is we have outsourced all the developer as of now. Okay. Yeah, all the developer we have outsourced. So developer less people are there, so we can't take project as of now. Okay, so header, don't know why it is happening. Okay, no problem. We can write for this also. For which one? For nav. Let me try that. Padding 20 pixel we are given. Background red, what is happening using that? Is same here. Okay. Now come inside. Let me follow the which one? NAV. NAV. Under the NAV, if I add the position as a fixed, if I exceed fixed, position as a fixed. The structure only we decided the wrong way. Position fixed and padding somewhere 10 pixel. Position fixed, padding 10 pixel, width 100% again, width 100%, 100%, Navigation should be fixed on the top. It should not go anywhere. Next, after that, position is fixed. Padding 10 px, width 100%. So this fellow came out because background is not for that one. Background is for which one? Background is for, okay, hold on. So we'll not mix everything. Uh, Only the below HTML code we have written, the code becomes a wrong structure. Okay. So in this example, understand one that is called this one. Which one? Position sticky down. Okay. So this header header remove the position fixed. Okay. Let it be direct. We'll create after this another one through the fixed position. What we want menu should be fixed on the top. After menu, some space will be there. Once the section will touch the menu, section will also become as a fixed. Menu will be fixed always. Okay. Next, after some once the scroll user will scroll down, the orange block will go and touch the menu, and that also become as a fix. So one will be the position fix, another will be position sticky. Okay, so this somewhere it is giving some problem. So what I will do is no problem. We can go here and just write directly for nav of A, nav of A. Inside the nav tag, whichever the A tag is there, that should be in the color of white. That should be in the color of white, and there should be margin from the left side. Maybe 30 pixel you can give. 30 pixel you can give margin, and then you can change the color. Already white we have changed. Text hyphen decoration colon none. Text decoration none. Color white, margin left 30 pixel. Text decoration is a none. Under the NAV, there is a tag where color should be white color, and their padding should be margin left should be like each it should live in the left side 20-30 pixel, and text decoration the underline is coming, that should come as a none. There should not be any underline. I will verify once what is the look of that. Okay, so it look like this. When it will go here, it will become as a fixed menu. Font weight to keep as a bold. Font hyphen weight keep as a bold. Font weight keep bold. Font weight keep bold. Okay, so navigation is ready. Which color? Red color. Okay, in that now, let it be on the top in the red color. No problem. After that, you can apply one hover effect here. NAV colon hover. NAV colon hover. So NAV colon hover. NAV colon E, not NAV. Colon E over. So what it is checking under the NAV tag, whichever the E tag is there, if it touched by mouse, the color should convert into blue color. Blue color. And text underline should happen. Text decoration should become as a underline. Text decoration is underline. Hmm? Happening. When you move the mouse, color will change to the blue color and underline will also get applied. Something like this. Color. Okay, so navigation is ready as well as which portion is ready? The section about section is ready. Now before about section, something else we want to add. Before about section, we have one section tag. Before section tag, something else will add. One more section tag. So come down. Hope till here. Work well. Okay. Next, after that, come to the HTML part. After header, write one more section tag. And this section you give ID equal to banner. ID equal to BANNER, banner. Section ID equal to banner. Right inside banner CSS static banner. CSS static banner. Okay, hope ready? Let's come now. We'll write the CSS for this one. For the ID call, banner. We'll write here has banner, has banner. Where it will appear? Text hyphen align column center. Background complete blue color. Color white color. Okay. After that, padding. Padding somewhere 150 px. Next, minimum height 150 pixel. Okay. Font size 70-80 pixel. 70. Let's skip. Font weight.
Font size of the
Colon is missing. Font size. Font weight. Okay. You got something? Like the banner, big font size, blue color, red, blue. Let's see. This fellow is leaving some gap here. So we will remove this gap. Out, top. We are given the margin top that we can make as a 0. This red looking very highlighted color. Change some other color. In the about you have written, if you remember, under the about you have written, in about you have written margin top, how much? Let me check this first. In about you have written here margin. Top how much? 30. We can keep as a 0. Then from top gap will get removed. In header you have given red color. Give some other color. Black color. It look something different color. In header change to black color, and in the about we have written margin keep 0 px. Okay. In header you can write background different or any color your wish. Color name is your wish. Okay. Then under the hash about you have written margin you can keep 0 px. It will not give gap from any side. Okay, cool. Let's go next. Sequence. Black, blue is okay. Then orange in the last. As soon as the orange will touch the upper portion, this will become as a fixed. Work similar. जी सर, क्लास तो चल रहा है, 5 बजे फ्री होंगे। दुकान पे कितना बजे रहिएगा? 6:30 तक रहिएगा। आ जाते 6:30। Hope ready. Now after that, okay, code working for all. Now when we are scrolling down, it's okay. Here when we come down, this is also fine. Here is also okay. What was our target? Our target was to fix this menu. Target was to fix this menu. It was not getting fixed. That was the problem. Let me try again. Okay. Now, I have several methods to fix that, but why not happen? That was the question. Position fixed. FIXED. Position fixed. And then let me see now. Again, it's a hiding. Okay, now it is coming. Position fix you right, and then keep width 100%. Width 100%. It will work now. Header position fix and width 100%. For header position fix and width 100%, so it will look like this. And this is overruling. It's overriding that. Okay, no problem. School only. So please add this. Position fixed and width how much? 100%. Position fixed and keep width 100%. Then try once. Position fixed and width 100%. Then see navigation got fixed or not. Navigation is fixed. Once you scroll down, then after some time navigation will get hide by the this one. Okay, next after that, so hope navigation is fixed for all. Now we can create a footer. We can create a footer, or maybe you can do like this also. This much is okay. Let's come now. So banner is ready, about is also ready, section. We can write here next section as container, where we can display some other type of content. ID equal to container. Next we write here h1, welcome back, or about us, why welcome back, our services, OUR services. We'll have a paragraph, we'll add something. Okay, hope ready. Container. Container is where in the last, right? For container also you have to write some CSS. Let's go to the CSS portion. In container one paragraph we have give ID for that. Info. Something we are giving random ID. Give info. Give the ID for that is what? Info. Now under the info ID, we have to write some CSS as info. There is a property called line height. Line height. Using the line height property, you can increase the gap between two lines vertically from top to bottom, first line, second line. Between both the lines, you can increase the gap. It's called a line height. LINA hyphen height. Line height. What if you suppose I given font size 20 pixel given. See it now. It should come little. Line height should get increased. 30 is not reflecting, then increase more to 35. Line height reflect or not? Little increase, right? 30 we can convert into 40. It will become more spacious. Okay, more spacious. Now for container, you can write some CSS. Has container. For has container. Margin auto. Margin colon auto. Margin colon auto. Width colon 80% and minimum height. Mean height. Mean height 400 pixel. Mean height 400 pixel and text hyphen align as center. Something like this. I think here more padding we have. Now write a footer of looking similar. Now container, margin auto and everything. So hope your things are loading. Working proper. HTML code for container you want to see. Here is a container code. HTML code of container. So, got the point. After section tag, add the footer. Footer. In footer, again you can use p tag. Message from footer. Next, you can write one more. Colors. Something like this. Okay. Come to the CSS part now. We'll write the CSS for footer. Footer will write something where footer will be fixed in the last. See, header is fixed on the top. Similar way, footer will be fixed in the last. Okay. And you can scroll up down and you can see the content. So let's come up under the CSS portion. Footer, directly footer, no hash, no dot. Footer. Background, let's keep as a green color. Keep padding 15 px, not much, or maybe 20 px. Width 100%. Give 100%. After that, bottom 0 px and position as a fixed. Bottom 0 px. So what you are saying? You are saying not from top. Whatever in top, leave that. From bottom, we leave 0 pixel. Means don't go anywhere else. Be where in the bottom only. And position fix means you are constant there. And whenever you write the position fix, you have to give the width property. Then only it will cover the full width. Position fix, background green, padding width, bottom and 0 px. So we can see here, footer will be fixed always in the last. Okay, it's become more padding, I guess. Okay, no problem. We can remove the content. Okay, keep color as a white. Color as a white color. And then text align center. Text hyphen align as a center. Text align as a center. Okay, footer, check now. Is in the last. It look like this. In footer, content ignore. You can remove one line, keep only one line, keep one paragraph. Then footer will be fixed in the bottom. Footer is fixed in the last. Two paragraph you have written, one paragraph you remove. Keep only contact number. If it is a fix, then it should not occupy much space. It should take really very less space. Suppose I given 7 padding. Now in the footer I have two paragraph. I'll remove one paragraph. I will keep one paragraph only. And after that I can see the page. It should look perfect. Just like this. Header also fixed, footer also fixed. Something like this. In about, if you want to can reduce the padding. In about, padding is more. If you want to can reduce that. See here. In footer, how many paragraph? Depend on your wish. 1 2 paragraph you can keep according to space. This is the CSS of footer. Okay, hope ready. In about, you have padding how much? 40 pixel. You can keep less as a 15 px or maybe 20 px, your wish. In about, I have reduced the padding to 15 px so that it will cover little less space. It was covering lot of space. So it will look like this. And when we scroll up down, header is fixed, footer is fixed. In between, content will go and come up down, up down. This is all about example of position fixed and static. Hope looks similar. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll learn how to create the menu and submenu. Menu and submenu, what is that? Suppose this is the menu, our services. When I move the mouse here, submenu should open. When we go to the maybe about us, 2 3 menus should open. That is called what? Menu and submenu. Okay. Position fix remains same. In that we will add something else so that once the mouse will touch there, menu will open. Menu will be main, and once the mouse will touch submenu will open. After creating that example, we will make this one as a dynamic banner. Here photo will change dynamic. First we'll create one image, sorry, color will change dynamic automatically through the animation. Once we do that, then after that we'll see how to change the image as a dynamic through the animation. Okay. Those all are in upcoming class. So keep attending. Hope no error.